What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's Down and Dirty is for new guys. We're going to talk about excavators in residential areas, or really excavators anywhere. One of the first things that you are going to not think about as a rookie when you go to unload a piece of equipment on a new job site are these guys. Overhead lines. It is so easy, especially if you've been working with a contractor that does a lot of field work, you know, where it's totally open space and you don't really have to worry about it. It's very easy to totally forget that there are occasions where you have to look for overhead lines. And so what I always tell our guys, you know, Ethan and Matt, is anytime you get in an excavator, whether it's in a trailer or you're pulling up on the job site and you're getting in the cab, anytime you get in an excavator, before you do anything to move that piece of equipment, just do a quick peek around. Sometimes are you going to feel like an idiot because you're in an open field? Absolutely. But you know what? I've never hit an overhead line. Always, always, always just make it a habit that as soon as you get in the cab of the machine, before, you know, right when you fire up and you're getting ready to move, before you pull a joystick, just do a quick scan of your entire job site, really. You know, am I talking a massive job site? No. But of your workspace around you, just do a quick scan around you, figure out where those overhead lines are, and then make a mental note of, okay, I need to make sure, you know, on this job in particular, I need to make sure that if I'm swinging over the street, I'm watching out for this guy and that guy. Those are my two overhead lines that I'm going to encounter. I've got another one back over here, but I don't have to worry about it. I'm not going to be over in that side area of the yard. So don't get yourself wrapped up focusing on that guy. We're never going to go on that side of the house. I do need to pay attention to these two. So that's all I've got for today. You guys stay safe, and we'll catch you guys on the next Down and Dirty.